Welcome to a journey towards natural radiance, where we explore the wonders of a simple, yet effective DIY teeth whitener. To embark on this journey, we need 3 key ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of charcoal, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Begin by combining the ingredients well, until the mixture attains a consistency resembling peanut butter. For a refreshing touch, add a few drops of peppermint or spearmint essential oil to taste. Once well mixed, transfer the concoction to a glass container, ready to bring shine to your smile. To use, simply brush your teeth with the mixture for 2 minutes. Rinse well and brush as usual. Integrate this natural teeth whitener into your routine 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Embrace the natural radiance of your smile with this simple, yet powerful DIY teeth whitener.